Welcome back. In today's video, we're looking at a so-called sovereign citizen who also dabbles in First Amendment auditing and cop watching, but this time he's decided to represent himself in court and let's just say things don't exactly go in his favor.
Hi, I'm Attorney Iworski. How are you?
Good, how you doing?
Good. So I'm covering for Attorney DeCroce today. So you're scheduled for a sentencing hearing today on the disorderly conduct, and then you were scheduled for a trial on the breach of bail charge, right? Is that what you have as well? Okay. So what we're going to do today is we're just going to go forward with the sentencing hearing. I'm not going to go forward on the breach of bail. You were convicted on the disorderly conduct. I don't see a reason to pile additional charges onto you. So you'll be sentenced on the disorderly conduct, and then we'll be done today. Okay?
You're dropping the breach of bail?
I am. Yep. Okay. And I spoke with the trooper about it, and he's fine with that. Okay?
Good. Thank you so much.
All right. Sound good?
Yeah, no problem.
All right.
All set?
Yep.
Everything seems fine at first, but that calm doesn't last long. The situation quickly takes a sharp turn.
Brief there, Frank.
Yeah, well, I mean, there's no way. I got the law right here, right? So, I didn't create danger, obviously, which is why this has been dropped, and I didn't commit a felony, okay? I'm being persecuted for exercising my First Amendment.
Have the right to show up at a public official's home, yelling at him and his family until police are called, and that's exactly what happened. Along with a group of anti-mask protesters, he harassed the official at his residence, was later convicted, and now we're at his sentencing.
Great. How come you're getting angry? Didn't you and I just didn't we just have
Because I'm here today for nothing. That's why I'm getting angry.
You're here for a sentencing hearing.
Yeah, I know. And I got found guilty of disorderly conduct for less than what I'm doing right now.
Okay.
For being loud. Because I have a loud voice. So I got found guilty of disorderly conduct for having a disability because I get excited and hyper-aggressive.
How he manages to keep his anger in check until someone challenges him, which comes across less like an illness and more like extreme narcissism mixed with childish behavior.
Okay. And you had your day in court.
Oh, and I was found guilty, yeah. I had my day in court, and what was I found guilty of? Why am I not under arrest for disorderly conduct right now?
Sir.
Why am I not under, hey, listen, don't give me no directives, you're just gonna make it worse. Ridiculous.
Hey, Frank.
Absolutely ridiculous.
Frank, was the breach of bail when they arrested you here? Was that one or was it a different one?
Judge is on the way.
Yes.
We'll wrap this up and you'll be on your way.
That was the one, thank you. That was the breach of bail for the New Hampshire 9 arrest. For where someone was arrested for saying amen. And I was arrested for, we don't know yet, making a loud noise, which is all on video, and I didn't make one fucking peep. Not one fucking peep.
You know, we would know
Frank,
if you had.
you're in a courthouse.
I don't care, it's not illegal to swear, okay?
If you
I don't need,
disturb
listen,
another
have me
people-
arrested, do something. Do something.
I don't want to.
Do something, because you can't.
I'm trying to work
Don't
with
give me directives and tell me what to do or what to say or anything.
Frank, come on, Frank.
Frank, don't make this harder than it needs to be. I know many people will question the court's response to his outbursts, and honestly, a contempt charge wouldn't surprise anyone. That said, the court likely knows this guy well and probably just wants to move things along quickly, which might explain why he's being given so much leeway. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments.
I'm trying to, but these people, they all want to take their time. Oh, hey. Oh, calm down. Let it be cool. No, this is absolute bullshit why I'm here today. And everybody knows it, and that's why you dropped those charges.
I told you why.
So I get it. You're cool. You dropped the charges. I appreciate that. It's nothing personal against you.
Then be
This
cool
is
with me,
business.
like I'm being cool.
I am being as cool as I can be.
Frank.
Okay?
Come on, Frank.
You want to get this done?
Oh, I'm ready. Let's do this thing. I've been here. Let's go.
The priest will enter.
All rise, honorable court is now in session.
All right, good morning, everyone. Thank you. Please be seated.
versus Frank Staples, docket number 435, 2021 CR 240, and dockets number 435, 2021 CR 1692. Attorney Jaworski does appear on behalf of the Newfields Police Department. She's filling in this morning for Attorney DeCroce. Mr. Staples does appear. He is self-represented. We are scheduled this morning for a sentencing hearing in the 2021 CR 240 on the Class B disorderly. And then additionally, the matter is scheduled for trial in the breach of bail charge. Are we ready to proceed?
Judge, we're going to go forward on the sentencing order. As I told Mr. Staples, the state police are here. I had an opportunity to speak with them. Although we are ready for trial, I think in the interest of fairness and equity, he's been convicted of the underlying disorderly conduct charge, so we're going to use prosecutorial discretion.
How is it underlying when the breach of bail took place after?
This really isn't the moment to argue. You're complaining about her simply explaining to the judge why the other charges are being dropped, so now's not the time to make a scene.
Not process the breach of bail charge, and we're just going to go forward on the sentencing hearing with the disorderly conduct.
All right, very good. And then I will give you that one. Oh, well, I gave you that one. This is the breach.
That's somebody different.
All right, thank you. All right, so with that then, if we're ready, we'll proceed with the sentencing and the state's recommendations. Mr. Staples, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hear from the state first, what they're recommending relative to the disorderly conduct, which was a Class B misdemeanor in that matter. And then after I hear from them, I'm certainly going to hear from you as to any recommendations or any position you take as to penalties, okay? So with that, thank you, Attorney Jaworski.
Judge, the state's going to ask for a $1,000 fine, $500 of that to be suspended for 2 years good behavior. Your Honor heard the facts and circumstances of this case. This is an individual who has racked up similar charges to this recently.
That get dropped and dropped and
Charges were truly dropped, then why are you sitting in a sentencing hearing right now? That only happens after a conviction, plain and simple.
He has
Don't interrupt
a
him.
prior conviction for bail jumping in 2013, February 11th of 2013. It looks like he had 1 to 7 years for a sentence with counseling, mental health treatment. He had a possession of prescription drugs also in 2013 where he was convicted. He had multiple counts. He received a 12 months time served sentence in that particular matter. He had a possession of a controlled drug with intent to sell conviction in, looks like 2004 out of Hillsborough.
when is my sentence over? When is the crime done?
Yes, Mr. Staples, please, I'm going to hear from you also.
Yeah.
But she gets to recount what she
Fine,
wants,
she
so
can do whatever she wants.
thank you.
Another possession of controlled drug with a 9-month sentence. Shoplifting conviction in 97.
I was 17, a
Mr.
juvenile!
Mr. Staples,
So she's bringing up my juvenile record then?
Offense from when you were 17 doesn't change the bigger picture. You've consistently shown antisocial and unlawful behavior ever since becoming an adult.
I mean, come on! What's really going on here?
Staples, do I need to take a break? Let's just get through,
Let's get through it then!
telling me what she wants to recommend and about your
And
prior-
why? Because of all these past crimes all the way back to when I was 17?
All
Get
right.
the fuck out of
Stop.
here.
And please with the language. Attorney Jaworski.
Judge, he has a robbery conviction in 97 out of Hillsborough South with a 12-month suspended sentence. That's the first half of his criminal record. He does have an additional 6 pages, but I won't go through every detail with the court.
just heard covers only the first half of his convictions from 1997 to 2013, with 6 more pages of offenses still left to review, and if anyone has proven they don't deserve yet another chance, it's him.
That's the reason why I am asking for a little bit of an enhanced fine, although I am asking that half of it be suspended for 2 years good behavior. Also, part of that good behavior is that...
Not paying shit. Believe that.
Get,
Mr. Staples.
make sure we have the address. They would not be allowed to respond to that same address with a disorderly conduct judge.
Okay, Mr. Staples, you've heard the recommendation of a $1,000 fine with 500 of it suspended. Do you wish to be heard on what you're asking the court to impose within the limits of the maximum amount?
Yeah.
$1,200 fine.
$0.
Hey Frank, but I doubt the court is going to hand you a fine that matches your IQ. Next.
Because I didn't do anything to cause any sort of pecuniary loss or any damage or anything like that. And I also am asking you to reconsider your finding of guilty, because I will be appealing this. I'll put you on notice. And I do want to know exactly what did I do to commit disorderly conduct, because it was nothing even like what I've been here today in this courtroom. Okay? I didn't do anything that was disorderly. I asked why I was being threatened to be arrested. The man never asked me to leave the area. You've seen the video. He lied in his testimony. So I want to know why I was found guilty to begin with. What? You need to articulate yourself.
She doesn't, because you've already been found guilty. This hearing is your sentencing, where the court decides the consequences for your actions.
You've heard on the sentence. We've had your opportunity.
$0. No penalty whatsoever.
Okay, thank you. And I've heard your testimony and listened for several hours at the trial, and I've issued that, and certainly you do have the right to appeal, and I will expect you to do that. So with that, I will adopt the state's recommendation. I will impose a fine of $1,000. $500 of that will be suspended for a period of 2 years for your good behavior.
Put me in jail now then, $50 a day. Let's go. $50 a day in jail because I ain't paying shit.
It's 150 now.
So
150, whatever. We do $10 a day. Let's do it.
don't sell yourself short. Are you able to pay the $500 fine? I'm sorry, yeah, $500.
I ain't paying no $500 fine.
All right.
You gotta be kidding me.
So you know there's an additional time payment fee of $25 that gets added?
Don't care. I ain't paying none of it.
Okay.
Ever.
You'll definitely be paying one way or another. Some might wonder why the court doesn't just send him straight to jail, but from what I understand, they may be required to give him the chance to pay the fine first before moving on to a tougher penalty if he refuses or fails to pay.
And so if I put you down that it'll be paid in full within 30 days, in addition to...
Say whatever you want to say.
That's what I'll do.
Okay? Ain't gonna happen.
We'll be in recess. Thank you. Good
Yeah.
luck to you, Mr. Staples.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You are capable of being polite, frank, and honestly, many of your problems could probably be avoided if you treated everyone the way you just treated the judge in those last few seconds.
Bunch of bullshit.
Probably have a bad day.
Huh?
Wish him a bad day.
Okay, yeah.
Amazing. You told her you weren't going to pay, and she's like, well, we'll put you on a time payment.
We'll put you on time. Put me in jail now!
They don't want to put you in jail.
Let's go. Put me in jail now. 5 years in solitary confinement, you get fucking fined, $500 fucking fine, get the fuck out of here.
I love how they brought in the
Unbelievable,
SWAT
you bring up all that fucking record too. I changed my life, I have a fucking business where I help people reintegrate from prison and from rehab and from home.
You're the last person who should be guiding drug addicts or ex-cons back into society when it's clear you still struggle with fitting in yourself.
When are my past crimes done with? When do I live it down? Ever?
We'll start forgiving you once you stop breaking the law and let go of those antisocial beliefs, but until then, forget it. Frank.
You already know the answer to that, Frank.
Never.
Never.
Right?
Let's go. Come on.
We feel it's right around. Bunch of bullshit. Hope you feel real good about yourself.
I don't think I've ever heard of anybody paying fines, any activists. It's funny, they think they get us and they don't.
Let's do it. I love this game. We could play this all goddamn day.
They just want to bring him back in for another hearing.
Yeah.
That's what they want.
Yeah.
Want this disruptive guy back in court when it would be easier if he just paid his $500 fine and moved on. He still has to go to years without another offense, or else he'll owe the remaining $500, and let's be honest, he's not likely to make it that long. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, hit like. If not, hit dislike. But don't forget to comment and subscribe if you haven't already.